Hey there, it's Krista with WTI. Today I'm going to take you on the journey with us as we transform our guest bathroom backsplash with this beautiful COLAMO luxury peel and stick tile. When I opened this box, I was so pleasantly surprised. These tiles are a beautiful honeycomb mosaic design with natural vein variations like Cararra marble. They really embody the richness of real stone and are much thicker and more rigid than other peel and stick options I'd seen. The tiles have a clear edge bevel processing, so there was no need for us to grout or caulk them, although their seam design makes them look like we had done the work. We truly love this because it looks finished and high-end, but it's much easier to clean and maintain. The installation was super easy. We had prepared the walls by wiping them down to make sure we had the best adhesion. But after that, it was literally just peel and stick. For trimming, we used a utility box cutter and we had a square tool on hand just to keep our edges straight. Overall, we are beyond satisfied with the beautiful aesthetic and durability of this COLAMO luxury peel and stick set. It's added a touch of style to our bathroom, making it feel custom and high-end. I highly recommend these peel and stick tiles by COLAMO for anyone who wants an easy and quick way to upgrade their home space. And that's my point of view.